boyfriend is here after crazy week. Oh, I can open the door. Hug. Oh my gosh. Babe, you're on camera. So, this is a dehumidifier. It's not a humidifier, it's a dehumidifier. Oops. So, I got it from Simplus. It was pre-ordered, kaya siya matagal dumating. And I think 1 liter lang yung capacity niya. Oops. Free replacement, 1-year warranty. Oops. So this is what it looks like. It's supposed to basically absorb the moisture from the air, and it's so essential here in Baguio kasi it is very humid but yung lamig. That's why I ordered this din. Kasi nga I had problem with molds before in my previous place. Pero yeah, hindi na niya inhabot at hindi ko na kinaya. Here you will see na meron siya. Dito makokollect yung water. And I believe this is like 1 liter capacity. Pero it's hard to remove, so hindi ko natatanggalin. So I think I'll use this first in my room. Kasi yung duvet ko, it tends to be like yung malamig yung fabric. So I think there's still that moisture factor into it. Pero I will probably just move it around the house when necessary. So ayun, I will update you guys. It's my first time using this din, so I have no clue. Pero here, mayroon namang QR code for the user manual. So, just a quick fit. We are going out for dinner to meet with his family. So, I'm just gonna come all over the place. Kanina naka-coat ako, pero I saw my cap and I thought we're doing it like this. So, yeah. Let's go! Egg tarts! Yes! We are at Guts. I love their egg tarts. I just discovered this too. If you're wondering, this is what the menu look like.
Sorted menu.
I'm excited. Coffee shop, tapos I will run errands, tapos I'm gonna run home and just lay down. So there's a Kmart here na ititignan namin. Grabe, my energy is quite low. Hindi lang ako nag-makeup. Ito na, come as I am. Let's check out this Kmart. Oh, they have cakes. I am sold. Charot. Oh, there's a bakery. Lavan. And there's the market. Part of it. trying to check out some dumplings or meat na marinated here. The place is huge, honestly. It's some real ass Kmart out here. So we made it. There's also a cafeteria here. This is the bigger na Seollem Cafe. Kasi meron din sila sa may Engineers Hill. Or no, Military Cut-Off. But that's a smaller one. Parang ito yung pinaka main na coffee shop. And it's look nice. And here it is. It looks nice. It is so dreamy. It will look nice here at night with all the lights and the benches outside. They also have a flower shop. It's for sale. And here's their counters. They also have this solemn shop where they have the, I think these are linen sprays. Yeah, they look nice though. And they also have coffee beans. Yeah, they don't have Wi-Fi though. They say it's to make more memories. So their hand soap smells so good. It's called butter. Meron siyang coconut tea tree and shea butter. I'll definitely come back for this because dami ko pang hand soap sa bahay. But this one smells so good. We're getting a crisp pine na linen spray though for the boyfriend. So let's try it out. It smells a lot like bamboo. I think it is bamboo. But let's try. No, I don't drink coffee kasi kaya guys, baka hindi yung maasahan sa coffee shop. Kung cute yung coffee shop, yes, masasabi ko. Pero sa coffee, my heart will go running away. It's good. Ta-da! This is Gruffles Matcha. I couldn't be happier having sweets in the morning. There's red bean too. Let's try a bit of ice cream, a bit of whipped cream, a bit of the waffle. Oh, this is like some legit Ruffles talaga. Oh, yung iba kasing na-try ko, it's like waffle lang siya in the shape of. So this one is legit Ruffles. This is my first time. Bakit parang naiinggit ako? Naiinggit ako guys. Let me taste. Nainggit lang ako eh. Hindi ako. Hello! So, I just got home pretty much. Umuwi na rin si Var. So, I'm all alone again. But, I just sorted out my laundry. Hindi na ako nag-SM kasi sobrang traffic. As in, hindi ka makapasok sa parking kasi full na daw. Tapos, you'll end up na paikot-ikot. So, sabi ko, let's just go home kasi nga probably sobrang dami rin talagang tao sa loob. So, I'm just not gonna deal with that. And it's a Sunday, so I'm just gonna accept it. and magpapahinga na lang ako. Kasi tomorrow, I have some papers to write because they are due this week. So, ayun, sabay-sabay siya. So, my New Yorker to, chinek ko siya. Nakalagay naman siya sa Durabox thing. Pero, I found some molds on it and it does smell like mold. So, I am worried about it. And I haven't used this pa. I'm excited to use this pa naman like this week or something. But, yeah, I hope pag nasikatan siya ng araw, maybe it would help somehow. Pero, yeah, I'm worried about it. Ayoko naman siyang isabay sa laundry ngayon. So, we'll see. Baka tomorrow magpa-laundry ulit ako ng different batch. So, I'll have to check my other stuff pa. Pero kasi, these are from my previous apartment pa. So, yeah. Hopefully naman, when everything is like, napawash ko na and everything. Because even my clothes from last time, there is that not very pleasant scent. So, I've only been wearing kung ano yung sinuot ko, tapos pinalaundry ko, tapos they're still in a plastic. Honestly, I am stuck with this office space kasi, guys, no, hindi nag-work out itong drawers na to. And look at this table, by the way. I know it's hard to kind of like see, pero it is curved now. Like, kita mo dito, hindi na siya lapat. Hindi na siya nakalapat. So, it is stressing me out in a way, pero I don't want to deal with it yet kasi as much as I want to keep the place all set and well na, I already spent so much with my bed and with the ref, which I'm honestly very happy about, you know. Pero yeah, we'll take things one at a time. I mean, itong drawer, I'm just trying to use it as patungan and nagagamit pa rin naman siya when I get ready. Pero when it comes to working, I also don't like sitting down anyway. So, yeah, I am just leaving things be na pwede pa naman. I'm looking at other options na, especially with my clothes. They're still in like plastic boxes and huge plastic bags. So, I will find an alternative for that. And next week, I'll be going back to Manila. So, maybe I'll see what I can find. Kasi syempre, mas marami ring options doon.
Your vision